Hey guys, welcome back to So Much to Wear. My name is Nikki, and if you're new here, I make a part-time job out of selling secondhand fashion online. Sometimes before I do that, I even do DIY thrift flips to fix it up and make it the best that it can possibly be. So this is actually part 2 of a challenge that I started a little over a month ago. So if you remember this challenge, I ended up only spending $16 in Goodwill. I bought a dress, a Snuggie shaped like a shark, men's Nike gym shorts, and men's outdoor research hiking pants. So without further ado, let's see what's sold. First update, my prediction was correct. These Nike blue shorts are going to be the first thing that's leaving my house. Please tell me that in 2 days I'll be updating you guys and telling you everything else sold. But right now we are at one thing sold, $9. I got it packaged up in here. Then I used my Walmart scale that I got for a few dollars and just put it on there. It is coming in at 12 ounces. Update to right now, those two things are the only thing that sold. But all is not lost. If we do the math, which I'm going to do right here because I can't remember the numbers, I do know that I have made a profit beyond the $16 that I originally spent of $10. You might be thinking, what? That's all? $10? After all of this? Obviously, reselling is for the long game. You're not going to get rich quick. It's more of a consistency and continuation of reinvesting profits. So, today, I am back at Goodwill and we are going to spend that $10 on another $10 worth of things that I'm going to put up. To get started, because I only have $10, I am at Goodwill on a Sunday, which is when my Goodwill changes over their tags of the week, so they'll be the most possible 50% off tags. And I'm hoping to find something good. They just opened. Let's go inside and see what there is. Why don't we just not do just a 30-day challenge? Let's make this really interesting. Let's just see what we can do to make money with that $16 initial profit and see if we can turn it into enough money to pay off my college student loans. That's a lot of money, but I think I can do it. So I spent $10 and I now have 3 new items that I purchased at Goodwill to include in this challenge alongside the dress and the Snuggie. First new item is something that caught my eye right away from the shoe aisle. Check it out. These are holographic, translucent ASOS chunky sneakers. Pretty hideous, right? These, I think, really go well with what the kids today are doing with like that 90s sneaker style. And I do know that ASOS is a brand that these shoes did not retail originally for a lot of money, but it holds its resale value because of the fact that it is such a popular brand. So even though these shoes might have only sold for $60 to $70, somebody is going to definitely want to buy them online. The only thing is there is some wear on these shoes. They are not in perfect condition, so I'm not expecting a ton of money out of them, but I am expecting a quick sale. So if you look right there, you can see that there is some creasing. The panels on the sides, just ever so slightly, are kind of coming up. So that's not noticeable from far away. So if somebody wants to get some wear out of these, that definitely is possible. And these are also a size 10. Bigger sizes like this do sell quicker and faster for me. And this round, this second item is also another pair of shoes. Honestly, guys, shoes are really my jam. I really like selling shoes. I think they sell quickly, especially if you can find a brand like ASOS. These are ASOS too. Once again, these are not like I think these probably sold for about $50, but the reason I picked these up is, once again, ASOS is a very trendy brand that gets a lot of attention online, and check out the condition on these. These don't look like they've ever been worn. There are no flaws. They're super cute. I plan on listing them online under the words granny style, grandma core, cute grandma. Sounds weird, but that's one of the things I have found from looking at Google Trends that some people are searching for right now. These are a size 7, and I just can't believe how great of shape these are in, and that these could possibly have gone to the landfill because they're brand new shoes that have not gotten anywhere at all. So that's my second item. These were also $4 at Goodwill. 2 shoes already brings us up to $8. There's not a ton of wiggle room. I have to go with something that I found at Goodwill that was on the half price color of the week. That was a top, so I am choosing this. We're going for lots of younger adult fashion right now. This is a Victoria's Secret pink hoodie, a gray hoodie. It has the dog logo right there, some slight cracking in wear. This is definitely not in perfect condition, but the reason I picked this is, once again, it was the color of the week, so I got this for 50% off, so I got this for $2. I have found that on Mercari especially, and sometimes even Poshmark, Victoria's Secret pink does really sell well for me and quickly. Once again, not expecting to get a ton of money out of this, but I am thinking that I'll be able to get some money within the next 2 weeks. So this month, instead of just working with 4 items, I'll be able to buy even more items and put them into the pot to keep making more money. I spent $16. I made $26 in a month from that investment. So that makes a $10 profit. What I'm doing now is keeping my original $16, spent another $10 at Goodwill, so I have another 3 things that I now have listed for sale. So in my revenue bank, I've got the dress, the Snuggie, the ASOS holographic shoes, the ASOS grandma shoes, and a Victoria's Secret pink gray hoodie sweatshirt. So all of the money from those sales will go back into the pot, plus continuing to shop and get new things. I'm going to update you guys and show you where we are. Obviously, we're starting off low here. We are starting off with a bank of $16. But hey, that means we didn't lose any money, and now we have 5 things that we essentially have for free that we're selling online. The cool thing about this challenge, I think, is not only am I making money from basically no real investment, I am also spending money at a lot of nonprofit thrift stores. So that money is going into their programs, whether it be an animal shelter, job training for people that are in the Goodwill program, Salvation Army, all of those really great causes. They're getting some money from this too. And finally, all of this stuff is being kept out of the landfill. It's stuff that somebody didn't want, was essentially throwing away, and now it is finding a new home, a new life, and working towards a more sustainable planet for us. Okay, you guys, we're in business. Yes! So both of the shoes sold very, very quickly, and definitely for some profits. So, I'm sorry, I forgot to film this part. These are the translucent shoes. I'm going to be getting $12 from this sale after all is said and done. I probably could have gotten more, but somebody sent me an offer and like really wanted them, and they're paying for shipping too with Poshmark, so they're going to be paying $15 plus $7 shipping, $22. I think that's a fair price for these shoes. I don't like to have a price that's just something that I don't think is fair for someone to pay, because they do have wear and tear on them. So I'm going to be getting 12, so that means $4 to $12. And then these beautiful grandma ASOS shoes, they sold even quicker. These sold in less than a day. I actually listed these at night, and I woke up to them already having a great offer. I listed them for $35, and somebody sent me an offer for $30. So I'm excited to get these out to that buyer. So I bought these once again for $4. They sold for $30. After Poshmark fees, I get $24. So that's $20 profit. And that's just from this one pair of shoes. We've got $8 profit over here. And to be completely honest, you guys have been so busy, I haven't even listed the Victoria's Secret pink top yet. But now we've got more money and time to go shopping again. So stay tuned for episode 3.